Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best TV antenna for your television needs, the gesobyte indoor TV antenna. Whether you're looking to cut the cord or enhance your TV's reception, this antenna promises long-range reception and compatibility with all smart TVs, offering an exceptional viewing experience without monthly fees. This antenna stands out with its ability to receive full HD channels such as ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, and more. It's perfect for anyone wanting crystal clear HD picture quality and sound without the hassle or cost of cable subscriptions. The gesobyte antenna features an advanced smart switch that controls a powerful 2025 amplifier signal booster, equipped with a next-generation smart IC chip and crystal clear filtering technology. This design allows it to capture signals from up to 600 miles away, filtering out cellular and FM interference for a cleaner picture and less noise. With a maximum range reaching 1,000 miles indoors, this antenna provides incredible flexibility in where you place it. It comes with a 26.5-foot coaxial cable, letting you easily position the antenna near a window, on a wall, or anywhere you find optimal signal strength within your home. The antenna is lightweight and compact, making it simple to install and adjust for the best reception. And every time you move it, a quick channel rescan ensures you never miss any broadcasts. The package includes a USB-AC power adapter with built-in overvoltage protection, which powers the amplifier safely and helps maintain consistent signal strength. This is especially useful if your TV is located far from windows or signal sources, allowing you to boost reception without worrying about power surges. Plus, the impedance is standardized at 75 ohms, making it compatible with most TVs and digital tuners. Manufactured by gesobyte in China, this antenna offers a sleek black design that fits discreetly in any room. It supports 4K and 1080p resolutions, ensuring compatibility with today's latest TV technologies and future-proofing your setup. With the included cable and power adapter, setting up is straightforward, requiring no extra tools or complicated installation steps. In summary, the gesobyte indoor TV antenna is a versatile, powerful, and affordable solution for anyone wanting to enjoy local HD channels with superior picture and sound quality. Its long-range, signal-boosting technology, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice in the market of digital TV antennas. If you're ready to enhance your TV experience while avoiding monthly fees, this antenna is an excellent investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews.